When the cold winds blow, the real friends show. When the cold winds blow, the real friends show. When the night feels long and the fire runs low, we keep moving on through the undertow. Every doubt that tries to pull us apart meets the rhythm of a steady heart. We don't pretend, we don't put on a show. What you see is all we'll ever know. No silver lines, just a steady glow, and a truth that only the real ones know. When the cold winds blow, the real friends show. When the cold winds blow, the real friends show. Through broken plans and the way we carry, through every storm that we had to bury, we hold the line where the strong ones go, and we stand our ground in the afterglow. No turning back when the pressure rises, no empty words or cheap disguises, just quiet strength in the face of the flow, and a bond that only the real ones grow. When the cold winds blow, the real friends show. When the cold winds blow, the real friends show. Seen the nights when the lights went out, heard every fear and every doubt. Still we remain where the roots run deep, with promises we were bound to keep. No need to rush, no need to prove. The ones who stay are the ones who move. Not for the crown, not for the fame or the glow, but for the ones who choose to know. When the cold winds blow, the real friends show. When the cold winds blow, the real friends show.